welcome to my videos. We're gonna start making things like this. Or like this one. Perhaps this one you already saw the tutorial. Just to have a look. We have here, this is handmade. Today we're gonna make by hand. So this one has a few layers, and I just iron it. This purse, put an extra here.
Okay, so what happened is that's the DIY kit. We're gonna use these patches to sew in that sweater, beige sweater. So what happened is I was making the tutorial after the live with music. Lots of music I love. And then I realized that I don't have the copyright, so I'm gonna re-talk the video. So mainly I was showing right now the thread and the needle that has to be not so so perfectly for that sweater should be a medium size. And I decided the design, I used 3 patches in that area of the sweater with some of you guys in a live video. I'm starting doing that from now on because it was so much fun. And then as you can see, I'm sewing them. I'm not iron on, I'm not using the iron because of the kit. The kit comes with everything you need to sew them, and mainly the garments you need to sew with that kit are stretching garments like that sweater. I'm talking about music and how to sew in circles, I think, I don't remember. And well, the thing is that I started sewing that patch with the blue thread, that color, and only the limits of the patch. So you will see there that I'm just sewing the edges, and just because it's stretching and we need to maintain the stretch feature of the sweater. And I don't know what I'm talking about right now, but it was something exhausting, I think. Well, I decided to show you even closer. I think that was a great idea. Good, Nadia. And yeah, as you can see, I'm just going like all. You just see. You just watch. Yeah. That one in particular is a new design because it has the smallest flowers you can have in all my products, which is really nice. It's very cute. Only in blue. And yes, mainly I think you are having a rough idea of how to do it. I just put my hand underneath to have it very flat and tight. And something I like to say, I don't know if you could hear me in other tutorials like this one. I made another tutorial with these joggings. That one it was hand sewing as well, but it has bigger spaces where you can sew. I was showing that. while in that one you have smaller pieces of patches where you can sew, so you have to be more careful. But I think it's the result. It's gonna be okay. And oh, it's a pity that you can listen to this music while we're sewing, but yeah, mainly what I was saying is that while you sew and you're in the middle of something struggling, it's good to start taking a deep breath. And another if you want. I'm dancing bachata at this moment, having a ginger and lemon tea, very nice, singing a little bit for you. So yeah, besides breathing, deep breathing, you can dance a little bit, have fun. La 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 la, wee 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 wee. It's so much fun to watch myself. I have that pin. Yeah. Oh, that's the NHS pin. Because during the lockdown, I was in Belsize Park when I was living in Hampstead, and yeah, I went to sew these PPE dresses for the doctors. It has a specific name that I don't remember right now. And like a month later, I received a beautiful letter with that beautiful pin. So that patch is not sewn, it's not ironed, it's just with the pin. So if you have pins, it's even easier to use these flowers on your clothes. And la 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 la. What else? It's like a ghost. Come here to my shoulder, look at this. Watch out. Watch out. And yeah, I never stopped to do the same technique I was making at the beginning. I had a few problems with the thread at that point. Whoa! But I think I didn't care about that. If you have a very long thread, strange things can happen to you. So you should keep it in a medium size. Wow, I had a lot of things to say to you at that moment, I think. I think I was too excited because I just made this live video. I have lots of like good vibes. Okay, I'm finishing. Wow, thank you very much for joining by the kids on my website, on my online market. Bye. Oh, the bonus track. Let me put some music.